experienced a lot of changes, physically, emotionally, and mentally.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Assistant Director of St. Thomas More Academy Incorporated, by the Department of Education, Region 4A Calabarzon, and Division of Bacoor, and after having complied all the requirements prescribed in the pre-elementary and elementary curriculum for school year 2023-2024, and upon the recommendation of your respective advisors and verified by our school registrars, Mrs. Mary Ann de los Santos and Mrs. Raquel de Emilia, I hereby confirm you graduates. Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ms. Grace. Grade 6 St. Luke Annex, Aquino Jaden Andre H. By Aquino Jaden Andre H. Gold Medal Awardee. We have two awardees of grade 6. Aquino Jaden Andre H. with his proud Mommy John. Second best in spelling, best in mathematics, best in Arabic Panlipunan, best in science, academic excellence in English, academic excellence in Filipino, academic excellence in science, academic excellence in mathematics, academic excellence in Arabic Panlipunan, and academic excellence in EPP. Special awards for grade 6 May. It is our pride to present to you the learners who showed excellence in the field of sports. May I call on Mr. Randolph Orozco, their coach, to assist on grades. Aquino Jaden Andre H. Second runner-up, Badminton ISDL, and second runner-up, Chess ISDL. And now to deliver this message to the graduates, fellow friends, and Morians, let us welcome Jaden Andre H. Aquino, Gold Medal Awardee of SMA Branch.
To our supportive Assistant Directress, Mrs. Grace C. De Los Pinos, to our young and vibrant school principal, Ms. Talis Joy M. Dunton, to our distinguished guest speaker, Dr. Mary Joy T. Gallardo Vecina, esteemed teachers, loving parents, and my fellow graduates, good afternoon. Today, we gather to celebrate a significant milestone in our dedication, and resilience each one of us has shown throughout our journey. First, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our incredible teachers. Your unwavering support, encouragement, and guidance have been the foundation of our success. You've challenged us to think critically, to dream big, and to push beyond our limits. Thank you for believing in us and for nurturing our minds and spirits. To our parents and families, thank you for your endless support and love. You've been our pillars of strength, always there to lend a helping hand or a comforting word. Your sacrifices and encouragement have made this achievement possible, and we are extremely grateful. To my fellow graduates, congratulations! Today, we celebrate not just our academic accomplishments, but also the friendships we built, the challenges we've overcome, and the growth we've experienced. We've learned the value of teamwork, the importance of perseverance, and the power of kindness. As we prepare to embark on the next chapter of our educational journey, let's carry with us the lessons we've learned here. Let's continue to be curious, to seek out new knowledge, and to strive for excellence in everything we do. Let's support one another and work together to make the world a better place. We have a bright future ahead of us, filled with opportunities to make a difference. Let's embrace these opportunities with enthusiasm and confidence. Remember, the journey may not always be easy, but with determination and courage, we can achieve great things. Today, we stand proud of what we've accomplished, but this is just the beginning. Let's continue to work hard, to dream big, and to support each other as we move forward. The future is ours to shape, and I have no doubt that we will all go on to do amazing things. Once again, congratulations to the grade 6 class of 2024. Let's celebrate our achievements and look forward to the exciting adventures that lie ahead. Thank you, and to God be all the glory.
Congrats, Andre.
Dali lang mga girls, lagi ako nahuhuli sa dali lang mga baby. O, kayo na. Bulot ni Ande.
Ang nirequest niya, Boncho.
Wala matapos ang Boncho.